Sam Gas back in a Daytona, man.
Daytona 392 Hammer SRT, boy.
Yeah. This is Snowtona. This is not a Daytona. This is Snowtona because we drive it in the snow. Daily type car. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Go get your merch. Link in the description as always. Yeah, guys, Snowtona. I live in northern Illinois area. But yesterday we actually got a lot of snow. And I was driving the Snowtona. We were driving the Snowtona around. We drove it in the snow maybe like 15 miles, something like that. And now we're driving and there's snow on the ground, but the streets are all cleaned up, Yeah, we do get salted roads and whatnot, but that's the name of the game. I mean, it is what it is. I'd rather drive my car instead of, oh no, it's salting, I gotta put it in the garage and not drive it for like 6 months. It's not happening, bro. You can't drive a Snowtona in the snow, but guess what? Yeah, you can, because I do it. And as long as you know simple principles of how to drive in the snow, bro, like, it's fine. You can drive a Snowtona in the snow. I pass 4-cylinder all-wheel drive SUVs all day long. Those boys go so slow, bro. And by the way, I live in northern Illinois, suburb area of Chicago, so it's not hilly, it's not mountainous. When it snows, it gets cleaned stupid fast that it's unbelievable that people come up with reasons to actually buy all-wheel drive when it makes no sense at all to me, because what a waste of money. Why get all-wheel drive? No reason, when all this stuff is just like gonna get cleaned. All this snow is gonna get cleaned so fast, get salted. Like, yeah, it's kind of bad for your car, like, rust, all this and that, but at the end of the day, so what, dude? It's just a car, bro. Big deal. I ride around on Blizzak DMV2s, same size as the factory tires, 275 40/20s. They're on the factory wheel. They get mounted and dismounted every time. They get moved around. I have all seasons, but I am planning on selling the all seasons to get summer tires. So what's the point of having all seasons if I got winters, If you guys know someone selling tires for a good deal, let me know. I'm mostly looking at the Turo AZ850, I believe they're called. And I think they come in a 305. I want to get a bigger size. As for now, I'm not looking for a different wheel, but that might be a consideration. And yeah, driving in the snow, I mean, as long as you know typical, normal snow driving management, like, you're fine. Don't give it too much acceleration from a stop. Don't stop fast. Don't stop hard. Don't change lanes quickly. Don't change lanes if you're going above, I don't know, maybe 45 miles an hour. If you got to change lanes, there's that little snow hump in between the lanes. Just slow down a little bit, hit the blinker and change lanes like that, Because the last thing you want to do is be going 50, 55. You hit the little hump of snow trying to change lanes and you 180 around into the opposite side of the road. You don't really want to do that now, do you? Maybe you do. No, if you do, go ahead. But I would. Don't turn fast. Don't turn very sharp. Don't make sharp turns. Don't follow close to other cars. If you ever get stuck, you turn off traction control. I know that seems kind of like when I first learned that when I was younger, I thought that was like, what? Turn traction off when you're trying to get out of snow that you're stuck in? But yeah, you're supposed to, because traction control will not let your tires slide, or slip, I should say. And letting them slip will let the car keep trying to dig itself out, and obviously go forward a little bit, then go backward, and whatever, this and that. Don't just keep gunning it and like redlining it with traction off. Like, that's stupid. But yeah, you don't really have to get snow tires, but it does help. It does help a lot getting snow tires. I don't think it's really a necessity, but It helps. It helps. I drove my V6 Charger, which is a rear-wheel drive, in the snow on the factory all-season tires that the car came with. They were fine, but that's a different amount of power and a different weight. I think the weight difference is like 300 pounds or something like that. It is what it is. If you ever went drifting in a parking lot when you were younger, probably, then you kind of learn. Sounds weird to say, but you kind of learn how to manage snow driving, winter driving, by doing that, because you learn how a car behaves in the snow. Because these people who just drive super, super, super slow have obviously never drifted. They don't know what it's like. They don't know how to control it. They don't know how to manage a slide. They would just be like, oh my God, let go of the steering wheel, oh my God, and go straight into the freaking curb, over the curb, then to the opposite side of traffic. Who knows what they do, dude? But like us car guys, like, you know, we know what to do. Just gas it up sometimes hit the brake, sometimes do this, sometimes do that, you know? They figure it out. I mean, it is like a trial and error type thing, but you figure it out, you know? And this video doesn't only go for V8 muscle cars. This video goes for any car that is not a four-wheel drive. And even if it is a four-wheel drive, for those of you who may not know this, but you can still slide in all-wheel drive. Just because you have all-wheel drive does not mean you're invincible. It makes the probability less that you will slide, but you still can. You can still lose control of all-wheel drive. It just helps. Kind of like putting snow tires on a rear-wheel drive. It just helps. But can you still slide? Yeah. And I do. But I know how to correct it. And sometimes, mostly what I've been doing is just like a slight fishtail, and all you do for that is just let go of the gas. You don't hit the brake, you don't hit the gas, you just let go of the gas, and it'll stop on its own, and then you gas it up slowly back up to where, you know, the speed limit is. Mustangs, what are you guys doing, dude? That car's just, it's not a Ferrari. Relax, you know what I mean? Just relax. If you are in a state where you can stud your tires, you can do that. You can't do that in Illinois. And I wasn't really planning to or anything, but you can. I mean, if your state allows it. If it doesn't, you obviously still can, but you probably get caught because that's kind of an obvious thing to see. Enjoy your cars, dude. Drive in the snow. I drive my Daytona 392 in the snow. And yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much all I got for today's video. I try to knock out 2 of these for you guys. For videos, I'm going to start trying to go to the dealership. I know they've been busy. I have showed up to the dealer to do some videos, but they've been busy, dude. Busy to the point where, like, they're packed. It's hard to move cars around, and the cars that are at the back, and it's like the weather's bad outside, so it's like, you know, it's tough. It's tough, but I'm trying, and then, you know, sometimes I get busy and I can't go. Sometimes they're busy and they can't. You know, that's the move. It is what it is. I mean, I try to make the best of it, but let me know in the comments, guys. Like, let me know what cars maybe you want to see, what things you want to see of the Daytona. Stuff like that, man. I mean, just let me know what to do. I mean, it's kind of tough to try to do this on a weekly basis. And obviously, I haven't even done it on a weekly basis on some occasions. I think I've been okay with trying to keep it on a weekly basis. And so then I remember that one week I knocked out 4 videos in 1 week. That was good. That was good stuff. But, you know, I'm trying. Just let me know what else you guys want to see. I mean, I'm trying to do car reviews with a dealer because that's the easiest scenario. They get busy, I get busy, like I said. So I don't know. Yeah, let me know. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, share the video. Go like my Facebook page. It's called Sam Gas, all caps. That's it. I also have a... that's it. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun, and yeah, see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Sam, guys.